Alright, it's on, it's on.
Got the chainsaw ready. I want to get Dad back for the prank.
Okay.
The prank that you actually helped with, but now you're going to help me and get some good footage, alright?
Alright, same prank. Get 2 different credits.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. So, where's your mask?
Please.
Yeah, it's on, it's
There
on.
you go. Wow, you're cool. Okay, I want to get Dad back for the Halloween prank. The light switch on, and then I'll start.
Sorry, I wasn't listening. Can you start over? Ha, just kidding.
Actually, we should start over. Turn on
Alright, it's on.
I have the chainsaw, you know, from when you guys freaking pranked me with the ketchup and
Mm-hmm.
Well, I want to...
Alright, Jesus Christ, it's on.
Got the chainsaw. Let's get Dad back. Get on.
Jesus Christ, it's on, dude.
Okay, all you have to do is hold the freaking camera, and we're gonna get Dad back for the chainsaw.
Okay.
Oh, no, that was on the camera.
Jesus Christ, it's on. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you were in on it too, but...
Yeah. So, what are we gonna do?
Oh, damn it.
Jesus, it's on.
I'm pretending it's a game now. Alright. Please.
Alright, it's on, it's on.
Look, you want a good video? I got the chainsaw back, and we're gonna get him. Turn it on.
Alright, it's on.
Are you already being sarcastic again?
Maybe. Alright, it's on, it's on. Okay. Do you have a mask?
No, save that. Please.
Dude, it's on, it's on, it's on, it's on.
This is gonna be some good footage, alright? I wanna get Dad back for the Halloween prank. With all the frickin' ketchup and stuff.
Alright.
Yeah, you remember you did it on me?
Yeah, I remember. Alright, I'm coming.
Almost. Come on, Jeffrey.
Jesus Christ, it's on, dude.
See what we got here? Chainsaw.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Well, here's Psycho Dad lounging after he just
dead hit on X1.
look at that.
Dead hit.
You know what? I did scream. When I screamed at you, I did say you taught him how to play.
Yeah.
Look at the damages.
Wow.
Wow. Salvageable? Not.
There's the ends. It blew them right out.
It might be.
Freight the fronts?
Wait, really?
It might be. Because this is the only part that was really down. It depends on what's underneath.
That's a lot of dirt. So what are you going to do, Jesse? Do you want these plants?
Pants are gone, yeah.
Yeah, they're good.
The nets were just too much.